Hello, good day. I'm Choy of the Good Food Co. and blah blah blah. And today I'm going to teach you a classic recipe which we serve in our restaurant. It's called Chicken Caesar Salad. Okay, first, para stable yung bowl, you have to put a smaller bowl. Put a damp towel in the middle. Patong nyo yung bigger bowl. And then first, you put 3 egg yolks. And then you put mustard. And then add corn oil gradually in a steady stream, about 300 ml. Kung tapos na ang mayonnaise, then you put a little bit of vinegar and calamansi juice for acidity. Next, you add the garlic paste. And then you put chopped anchovies. Mix it all together. And when it's mixed, you add Parmesan cheese. You add salt and pepper to taste. A little bit of water. And add honey. Then after that, you set it aside. And then you get another bowl. And then you put romaine lettuce. And then add 4 tablespoons of the Caesar dressing. And then you put Parmesan cheese, chopped bacon, croutons, and then set it aside. You get your plate. Put your Caesar salad. Top it with Parmesan cheese, grilled chicken, and more chopped bacon. It's called Caesar salad because it was invented by Chef Cesar Cardini. He is an Italian immigrant. He moved to Mexico. Originally, Caesar salad is prepared tableside. No, so he invented this. He put a bit of croutons para may crunch, may chicken, may Parmesan cheese, and it became a international favorite. A very simple salad, pero very flavorful. Okay, when you make the Caesar dressing, always make sure na balanced yung flavors niya. May a little bit of sourness, may sweetness, may salty from the anchovies. And then make sure you make it at least 1 day ahead. Kasi dun pa maglabas yung flavors ng Parmesan cheese, ng anchovies after maybe 8 hours. You chill it in the fridge for 8 hours. When you buy your salad in the market, when you arrive at home, make sure you blanch it in iced water. No, you blanch it you wash it and then you blanch it in iced water for 10 minutes, so that it will last in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days. Kasi from the market is hot, so the romaine lettuce will start to dry out. No. So when you arrive at home, you blanched it in iced water to make it alive again, to make it crispy, and it will be more delicious when you serve it to your guests, to your family, and to your friends. And again, I'm Choy of the Good Food Co. and blah blah blah. And I hope you enjoy making your own Caesar salad at home. You can be very experimental naman. You can make it sweeter if you like. You can make it very sour if you want. So it would be very fun making your own Caesar salad and, you know, show it to your friends that, yeah, I can make my own. And I would like to invite you, if you would like to try how we make our own Caesar salad, you may go to our 2 branches. One is in the Good Food Co. in Matina Town Square, and the other one is blah 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 in Loyola Street, Obrero. Thank you, bye!